Hi guys, I made a video in which I put Lookie and Backup together in the backyard for the first time, and I thought I would upload it for you guys because it went really well. But before I show you the images, I thought I would just quickly explain what's going on. So in the first images, my boyfriend is commanding the dog to lay down and be quiet because Backup is a very nervous dog. And he's always nervous. He's also scared very quickly, and when he's scared or nervous, he tends to snap at things like other dogs, or he's pretty good with dogs because we raised him to be that way, but when he's a little bit too intimidated, he does tend to snap, and it's not super aggressive or anything, but it's something we need to work on. And because Lookie is so fragile, we had to command him to be calm, and he was obeying, but like I said, he's a really energetic, nervous dog. So in the first images, my boyfriend is commanding Backup to lay down, which he does eventually. And then in the second images, you will see him lick Lookie's beak, which is so cute. And Lookie is kind of making this threatening noise with her beak, but she doesn't attack him, she doesn't bite him, and it went really well. There is a certain point where things got a little too much, and Backup got a bit jealous of Lookie because she was getting attention, and he was also getting attention, but he's an attention whore, so he thought he wasn't getting as much attention as Lookie, and he started to snap at her. So we immediately stopped our session with both of them, and we just let Lookie sit and relax in the garden, and we took Backup back inside. I didn't put that footage in the video because I know it's going to attract so much haters, and I'm just being honest with you guys. I'm telling you that it happened, and I'm not showing you the footage. So besides, I guess it's more fun for you guys to see the positive stuff, right? And the results we're getting with Backup. The parts where we're kind of yelling at him and like, or you know, kind of maybe panicky, is because he's being playful. He wants to play with Lookie. He doesn't really want to hurt her, but we can see that he might become a little bit too wild and hurt her, and that's why we're anticipating, and we know that he does listen when we do this, so that's why we're sometimes like yelling at him, like just so you know. Another thing that I quickly want to explain is that yes, Lookie is tied up, and no, I cannot make the cord longer because if she were to fly off, which she does when she's outside, she will break her legs, because the more distance she has to like take off, the harder the cord will like snap when she's being stopped by the cord, if that makes any sense. So it would be irresponsible of me to do that, and you can see on the footage that sometimes her cord is at the very end, so she can't go any further. And this is because, I just want you to know that this is because she wanted to fly to me and my boyfriend, because we just put her outside, and even though she does enjoy the time outside in nature, sometimes she just, or a lot of the times, she just prefers to be with us, and she wants to fly to us. If I would untie her, she would fly towards my shoulder and just sit there. It was really funny when I put her back inside. She was wiggling her butt because she was so content that she was back inside. Sometimes owls aren't logical. She was glad that she was back inside, and this wasn't because of Backup, because I let her be outside for another hour after we put Backup back inside. So sometimes Lookie just doesn't know what she wants. Kind of like me. Okay, I'm going to show you the footage now, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my...
Liggen, hè?
Liggen, mooi, braaf, braaf.
Ja, hij wil dat niet spelen.
Rustig, rustig. Ik heb van een andere hoek natuurlijk. Ga terug.
Kunnen we wel iets mee doen, hè? Ik heb wel niet vertrouwen dat we
Alleen.
dat wel echt kunnen doorhouden. Niet aan de bal. Ik denk niet dat hij me echt kwaad aan doet.
Nee, nee, maar hij moet maar één keer speels knappen en het is gebeurd.
Of een klop geven of zo.
Ja.
Of anders, hè? Maar als jij daar weer doet, gaat je rustiger worden.
Ja. Ja, dat gaat zalig zijn. Die gaan vriendjes nog worden, ze. Kirsten? Ja. Lookie stapt nou wat meer naar de andere kant, dat ik de bek erop kan.